31 Days, 31 Social Media Tips to Strategize Your Marketing Efforts, featuring RPR's school reports. Do your school search by area. Select the school of interest. Request a report for the school by clicking on Create Report. Personalize your report if you choose, and select Run Report. Allow the report generation tool to work. Come to the top, view that it's going to take 3 minutes for the report to be created. The feature for today, for strategizing and sharing these to social media, all reports are able to post on Facebook. So come down and select Post on Facebook, Log in, and Share. Another great tip, 31 days, 31 social media tips with your Miami Realtors. Thank you.